Hey, wait. This is a bomb. No, it's totally not a bomb.
Ew, you guys are still drinking? Hello? Hey!
Hey, had to take the late shift again, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to go to bed now, so...
Headshot!
Oh, you see that? Lay it down!
Absolutely. Positively. Toast boogers.
Stop for boners?
Hold on, we're almost there.
Yeah.
When did you get that guitar?
I sold my other 3 to get it. This booty's gonna write me my first hit single.
So that's where the rent money went. Look, could you write this at a different time? I had 3 shifts last night.
Inspiration can't be planned, man. Einstein? Isaac Einstein, the one and only.
Look, can't you think of something you can do quietly? Instead? Just for a while?
We can make breakfast.
Okay, breakfast is good. Alright, great. Good.
You want anything?
No.
Want some coffee?
No, thank you.
How about some eggs?
No!
Changed your mind, huh?
When did we get a blender?
Well, the neighbors threw it in the trash, but we tried it. It's great.
Can't you hear how loud that is?
You like strawberries, right? And we put in light beer instead of regular because we know you're on a diet.
Is this a joke?
Try it. It's fruit magic.
Look, if you don't turn that off, I'm not paying for cable.
What? She's bluffing. That's like saying you want to kill the air we breathe.
Look, I don't care, okay? I need to sleep, so shut that off or you'll be sorry.
She's upset. I'm upset.
do 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 do